students, today again we are here with general knowledge of class 5. As we already completed up to chapter 13, so today we will begin with lesson number 14, and the name of the lesson is State Seals. My dear students, India is a country in South Asia. It is made up of 28 states and 8 union territories. Most of the states and union territories of India have their own state emblem or seal, which are used as official governmental symbol. While 6 states and 6 union territories use the national emblem of India as their official governmental seal. So today we will learn in this chapter different state seals. The state seal encapsulates the values or ideals of the people. Now, what is the meaning of encapsulates? Encapsulates means express the essential features of something. So, the state seal which express the essential feature of something, the values or ideal of the people, it is designed by a state. It is designed by whom? It is designed by a state and officially adopted to convey the aspirations, the geography, the history and origin of each of the states. Now write the state to which the seal belongs. As you can see here in the first picture, there is a picture of a tree and this is the symbol of Shubh Labh. And in the second picture, it is the famous temple and the national emblem is here and it is written in different language. So by seeing all these things, by seeing these all symbols, you have to recognize that this is the seal of which state. Now come to the next one. It is very easy because here the name of the state is already written, that Maharashtra Rajasya Mudra Bhadrai Rajte. It is also very easy because the name of the state is already written here. Here also the name of the state is written, and here also the name of the state is written. Here also. So you have to do it by your own. Come to chapter number 15, Presidents of India. The President of the Republic of India is the head of the state of the Republic of India and the Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Armed Force. The President is elected by the elected members of both the Houses of Parliament of India and the legislative assemblies of all states and union territories of India. Now, what you have to do in this chapter, you have to write the year. You have to write the year with the help of this help box. When the following became our president. Here are the pictures of 13 president, and you have to write down in which year they were our president. You have to fill here the year by your own. Now the next chapter, chapter number 16, Social Reformers of India. Decades come and go, but what remain are the great acts of the social reformers. India is privileged to have many great souls who brought revolutions by making radical changes in society. The acts of these social reformers have guided the nation to a new beginning. Can you name these famous social reformers of India? First one, he fought for the betterment of the status of the Indian woman. You have to write down his name with the help of this help box. Now, the second one is he spent his entire life fighting against the caste system. He devoted all his time in the service of the downtrodden, particularly those suffering from leprosy. She fought for the right of Indian women. He, he opposed ritualism, idol worship, and the practice of animal sacrifice. Fondly known as the maker of modern India, he continuously fought to abolish the practice of sati. I think you have heard about the sati system. He is best known as the founder of the Bodhan movement, gift of land, and for his great concern for the poor and needy. A prominent social reformer who fought against the caste system in India. So, these all are the social reformers of our country. You have to write their name with the help of this help box. Thank you. Have a good day.